Hey everyone, welcome back to Touch Trove. Today, we're diving into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's latest powerhouse phone set to release in just a couple of months. As Samsung fans know, the Galaxy S24 Ultra already earned its title as Smartphone of the Year, but the real question is, can the S25 Ultra bring enough to the table to make you want to upgrade? So, here are the 10 biggest changes coming to the S25 Ultra and how it stacks up against the S24 Ultra. First, the design. The S25 Ultra is getting a refined look, trading sharp corners for more rounded edges. It keeps that signature Note vibe but softens up the overall feel. And change number 2, the camera lens rings are also redesigned with ridged textures similar to the style on the Z Fold 6. It's a small tweak that adds a fresh look. Here's a render to give you a better idea. Third, the display. The S25 Ultra screen will be slightly larger, thanks to ultra-thin bezels that make this the slimmest design in any mainstream phone. Fourth, the frame is also shrinking, making the S25 Ultra slightly narrower but giving it an even wider screen. Display quality is enhanced with better brightness, color accuracy, and viewing angles, even while sticking with the M11.3 panel used in the S24 Ultra. Fifth change, improved feel. Samsung has reduced the phone's weight by 14 grams and slimmed it down by 0.4 millimeters, keeping the same battery and S Pen. It's going to feel noticeably better in hand. Sixth upgrade, RAM. The S25 Ultra will feature 16 GB, which is 4 GB more than the S24 Ultra. A portion is dedicated to AI tasks, giving you a noticeable boost in speed and efficiency. Seventh, satellite connectivity. This new feature ensures you can access emergency services in areas without cellular coverage. Samsung specifics aren't clear yet, but we know certification is in place. Quick note, if you're traveling, connectivity can be an issue, so here's where our sponsor, Airalo, comes in. With Airalo's eSIM, I had instant, affordable data on a recent trip to Dubai. Just download the Airalo app, browse their data plans, and enter the exclusive code TechTalkTV for a 15% discount. Eighth change, the camera. The ultra-wide sensor now has a 50MP resolution, a big jump from the S24 Ultra's 12MP, while an updated image signal processor should bring higher quality photos and video across the board. Ninth, video improvements. The S25 Ultra may rival even the iPhone 16 Pro Max, a big win for Samsung fans. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, built by former Apple engineers, could finally bring Samsung's video quality on par with Apple. And finally, 10th, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which has a massive performance boost, 45% better CPU, 40% improved graphics, and 44% more efficiency than the S24 Ultra's Gen 3. This chipset powers AAA console-quality games and leverages the updated Gemini Nano 2 AI model, improving features like video object eraser and enhancing AI response times. So, to wrap it up, the S25 Ultra brings some big updates over the S24 Ultra. Some are groundbreaking, others more subtle. Upgrading isn't essential if you're happy with the S24 Ultra, but if you're looking for the latest and greatest, the S25 Ultra is ready to impress.